How to connect SiriusXM radio to your car. The first thing you want to do is determine your connection, either built-in SiriusXM radio or a portable SiriusXM receiver with the vehicle kit. Identify which applies to your car before proceeding. Then you want to connect in the built-in SiriusXM radio by turning on your car stereo and switch to satellite radio or SiriusXM source. Tune to channel 1 to find your radio ID. Go to SiriusXM.com/activate and enter your radio ID. Select a subscription plan and complete activation. Wait a few minutes for the radio to sync and start working. Then set up a portable SiriusXM receiver. If your car doesn't have a built-in SiriusXM, purchase a SiriusXM portable receiver and a vehicle kit. Mount the SiriusXM receiver on your dashboard, plug the power adapter into your car's 12V cigarette lighter, and then attach the magnetic antenna to the car's roof or metal surface. Then connect the receiver to your car using one of these right here. Then you just want to activate the portable receiver by turning on the receiver and tuning to channel 1 and then finding the radio ID. Then you want to go to SiriusXM.com/activate and enter this radio ID, and then select a plan to complete activation. Then you just want to wait for confirmation that the activation is complete. Once it's complete, you can test your SiriusXM connection and tune into popular channels like these. If you're using an FM transmitter, try changing FM frequencies to avoid interference. Then you just want to secure all equipment is good. You can do this by using zip ties or clips to prevent tangles. Make sure your antennas and receivers don't block your view or interfere with the vehicle's control. If this video helped you, subscribe.